So Nuh alayhi salatu wassalam, he says, فَقُلْتُ اسْتَغْفِرُوا رَبَّكُمْ, I told my people, say astaghfirullah, turn to Allah, ask Allah's forgiveness. See the same statement we are saying today. What is the moral of today's message? Astaghfirullah. Seek Allah's forgiveness. That is the moral. So he told his people the same thing. And then he explained to them why he is saying that. Why am I saying, say astaghfirullah? إِنَّهُ كَانَ غَفَّارًا. Point number one, because Allah is very, very forgiving. You see, there is a difference between Ghafoor and Ghaffar. What is the difference? Ghafoor is one who is forgiving, and Ghaffar is one who continues to forgive all the time. My brothers and sisters, with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He will continue to forgive you repeatedly again and again until the day you die.